How many lead magnets should you create for your online courses, coaching programs, or consulting? This is not really something that has a set answer, but here's some my recommendations or a little bit of advice on it. Basically, you have one business, you should have one customer journey. So whatever it is that you sell in terms of products or services, you should have an order through which people can jump through those, from your low pricing all the way through to your higher pricing, from your low level of engagement, self-study, self-consummation, self-consumption, all the way through to your higher ticket, much more facilitated, coach-led, or even done for you, right? So there needs to be a flow to begin with. At the very beginning of that, the very front of that journey should be what's called your lead magnet, the free thing that you're giving away out there in all of your marketing, whether it's on your social media, your YouTube, your blogs, other people's blogs, on stages, when you're on podcasts, all the places that you are out there to be found by your potential audience. Your lead magnet is what is your call to action. If you found this helpful, come and get my free thing. Hello, nice to meet you, come and get my free thing. Oh, you're here on my page, come and get my free thing. That's what your lead magnet's purpose is, so that you can grab their email address and start pulling them through that customer journey that you have created for them. So really, the answer is you only actually need one lead magnet. And in fact, the one lead magnet that's earned me the most amount of money is my free course creation starter kit, which I'm pretty sure I published in about 2017. It may have even been earlier than that. That has been my one lead magnet for years. I created it once and it has existed for years. I've not needed to change or update it because there are forever more people always coming into your niche. There are always new people discovering your topic and starting at the very beginning in your particular field. There's never going to be an end of people being born, people growing up, and people discovering your thing. So I have found that I've actually not needed to change, update, add, or create a new one at all, because the lead magnet is at the beginning of that customer journey. So once the new people come into that, they move on through your system and become experts and pros by the time you're done with them. There's all this other train, this queue of other new people coming into it. So it doesn't really get old, right? It just doesn't, because the people that have been through it don't need that thing anymore. It's not of interest to them anymore because they've moved on from that stage of your customer journey. You only need one lead magnet, and make sure that stays up to date if it needs updating. But if you've created something that's very general in terms of answering the top 3 to 5 questions in your field, that lead magnet is going to have a really long, strong shelf life. Amazing. Now, if you do have two very different target audiences, maybe, for instance, you have B2B and B2C in your business model, and you have two slightly different customer journeys to suit those two very different markets, then you're going to need maybe 2 lead magnets, one for each of those 2 streams. But of course, if you are an absolute pro at content creation, at tech and things like that, there's no reason why, once you've got one set up, fully functioning, you've got it in all of your marketing outlets across all of your different channels, and it is bringing in a constant stream of people for you, then by all means, go and add more to it. It's just like adding fuel on a fire, but make sure the fire's started first. There's no point creating one, sparkly new thing, new idea, running off and creating something else. A whole bunch of pieces of wood on the floor that are not on fire are not going to do anything for you. It's just pointless. Start the fire with one log, one lead magnet, get that fire burning, have people constantly pouring through it and fanning the flames. And then when that's up and running and working, completely self-sustaining, then start adding other logs and other pieces of wood to that pile in the form of other lead magnets that other people are going to find, new people are going to discover. But keep your business simple and make sure that each thing that you're implementing is working before you go and chase the next shiny thing and add more complications to your business model. Now, if you want to learn how to create your own lead magnet, plan the right kind of one in the right kind of delivery, and set up all the tech to make it actually build your list and auto deliver to them, come and join my lead magnet launcher challenge, which starts anytime you like because it's pre-recorded. You can come on over, it's completely free of charge. You will learn how to create and produce and launch and publish and market your lead magnet in just 5 days. Come and grab the sarahcordiner.com/lead launcher challenge. It's free and it's amazing, if I do say so myself. DM me, comment below, and I'll make sure you get the linky pinky. See you soon.